If you're wondering how to change your Roblox avatar's clothes to the default one, make sure to watch this video till the end. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Roblox. Then head over to the section Avatar. Once you're over here, you're gonna find your avatar. Now, how can you change it to the default one? For that, click on the option Recent and set it to All. This shows every piece of clothing you have got. Scroll through and uncheck anything you don't want your avatar wearing. Now to get that clean blank look, click on this option, Hair and Body, then tap on the option Skin Tone. Now you'll need to pick a solid color for your avatar's entire body, so it looks like they have got no clothes at all. If you want to get more fancy, click Advanced and you can change its body parts color. Match it all up however you like. White, gray, neon pink, any color from these options given over here. And that's it. This is how you can remove default clothes in Roblox Avatar. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.